Hey, how are you guys? Welcome to our channel, Thrissur Vlogs, and today we have a very special recipe for you, and that is, before I tell you that, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more notifications. So today our recipe is Kerala style VELLAYAPPam. It's so delicious, you have to try for sure, and tell us how you got it in the comments below. So, without wasting one more minute, let's get started. This is the end of the video. Please give a like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more notifications. Thank you so much for watching.